Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Smartsheet mobile app for field updates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Smartsheet mobile app, start by unlocking your mobile device. Navigate to your device's App Store. For iOS devices, this is the Apple App Store. For Android devices, look for the Google Play Store. Once you are in the App Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Smartsheet into the search bar and hit the search button. Look for the Smartsheet app in the search results. The app icon features a green background with a white check mark. Tap on the Smartsheet app to open its details page. On this page, you will see an option to download or install the app. For iOS, this will be a blue Get button. For Android, look for a green Install button. Tap the download or install button to begin the process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open option. Tap on Open to launch the Smartsheet app. You may also find the app icon on your home screen for easy access. Upon opening the app, sign in using your existing Smartsheet account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly from the app. After signing in, you will now be ready to use Smartsheet for field updates. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features and functionality. Now you can efficiently manage your tasks and projects from the field. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.